If you have a Samsung top-load washing machine and during the spin cycle, the tub violently shakes and resets the procedure and starts pouring water back inside, and that timer will never get down to 0 because it continues to cycle through, spinning and pouring water in. Most likely, you require new spring rods. These are very easy to replace, very affordable, $55, Amazon. All you need to do, 3 Phillips screws, one here, one here, one here. Remove those screws. There they are. Lift up on the front of your washing machine. There are the spring rods. There is the top, it clips into the frame. It runs down to the base of the tub. Grab that rod right there. Pull it upwards, like this, to release it from this frame. Push it, drop it down to release the lower portion off the bottom of the tub. Install your new spring rod. There's 4, one on each corner. After you replace those, most likely your problem will be gone. That fixed mine and many others. I hope this helps.